Hey foodies, this is Chef Pete and I'm back again today to talk about warming up your winter days using your slow cooker here. And I like Breville products, but you can use the Instapot, you could use the famous original slow cooker, right? You can use anything you like. A slow cooker is the way to go. And the reason I like the Instapot or the Breville, especially the Breville, is because I can brown things before I go into the slow cooker mode, okay? And keeping that in mind, today we're going to be making my famous slow cooker lamb stew, but I'm going to do it with lots of red wine because we like red wine, and so then it becomes a slow cooker bourguignon, that's the French word for red wine. So we're going to make a red wine lamb stew, and here's some lamb meat, okay? I have about 1.5 pounds here. There's 2 of us. And here I have our trifecta. I have onion, celery, and carrot. And you go to the store and you get your carrots and you get your onions and you get your celery and you get your fruits and vegetables there because you can see what they are before you bring them home. Because you know, food is medicine. Not as in when we go to the doctor and we get a prescription for an antibiotic. No, food is medicine, and because food is medicine, you cooking at home, doing this, control your sugar, you control your fat content, you control your salt, amongst all the other things, instead of going out. Of course, we all love to go to Burger King, right? We love to go to McDonald's. We like to go get some fried fish, but remember, putting the nutrients from the fresh veggies, over here, Anthony will show them again, into our meals gets us fiber, gets us nutrients, gets us vitamins, gets us all of the good things. So I need you to remember that I'm going to be doing the shorts as I prepare the food for the medicine to keep us all healthy, give us some protein, give us some veggies, and then also, because we like wine, we're making this lamb stew bourguignon style today with red wine. So it's going to be delicious. So there we have it. Obviously, we'll throw some potatoes in after a while, and those will come in with some peas, and well, this will be absolutely delicious. So please follow the shorts as I go through our cooking extravaganza, making our lamb stew today, or you could use beef, yes, and you could even make a pork stew this way. So there we have it. So this is Peter Carpitos, as always, thanking you all for subscribing. We're almost at 1,000, and you know, we're not going to stop now. I'm telling the world how to do food in a way that you can make it at home and you make yourself and keep yourselves healthy. So this is Peter Carpitos. As always, I'm just so excited to show you. Out!